If you just bought your brand new Galaxy S24 Ultra, or if you already have one and you're just looking for some high quality accessories for it, this video is definitely for you. Today we're going to go over some accessories such as the ones you see here, and they're made by Peak Design. And if you've never heard of Peak Design before, they've been around for quite some time, and they make some really solid high quality accessories such as mounts, wireless stands, and cases for the brand new Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, if you guys do want to pick any of these up, I will be putting product links in the video description. And if you want to learn more about what Peak Design offers you, because what we have here is only a fraction of what they offer. And full disclosure, I do want to let you know that Peak Design did send this out to me so I could do this review for you guys today. But everything I'm going to say in this video are my own words. Peak Design did not send me any scripts or anything that I had to follow for you. One thing I absolutely love about Peak Design are the mounts that they offer along with their cases come with MagSafe, and they also have their own magnetic locking system. It's one of the best systems that I've seen, and if you like to go biking or do things outdoors and things like that, you're definitely going to love their out front bike mount. Once you lock the case onto their system, it is not coming off unless you want it to. So today we've got their everyday case, I've got their wireless charging stand, their power adapter, their universal bar mount, and the bike mount, which I'll show you later on in the video. So first let's take a look at the everyday case. So this case looks really nice. As you can see on the inside, it's got MagSafe built in. This case is made from 100% recycled material, and it's got weatherproof nylon canvas on the exterior shell as well as the interior. It's made of an ultralight polycarbonate body, it's got rubberized TPU bumpers, and it also has molded TPU buttons. It's got high temperature neodymium magnets for the MagSafe built in, as well as a high strength ceramic locking ring on the back. So first I'm going to put it in a Galaxy S24 that does not have a tempered glass screen protector, so you can see how much of a lip we get on the side. And if we look at the edge here, you can see how much of a raised edge we get without there being a tempered glass screen protector on the phone. So now I'm going to take the phone out that does not have a tempered glass screen protector, and I'm going to put my phone in that does have a tempered glass screen protector so you can get an idea of what that looks like. If you look at the side, you can see how much of a raised edge we get with a tempered glass screen protector installed on the phone. The case is also pretty slim. It doesn't seem to add a lot of extra bulk either, which is great. Feels really nice in the hand. It's got kind of like a smooth rubber feel on the side. Buttons, nice and clicky, easily pressable. Then if we take a look at the bottom, you can see we have our cutouts. We also have a couple lanyard holes on the bottom here. Now, one thing I will tell you for the S Pen cutout, if you've got bigger fingers like I do, it might be a little difficult for you to get that S Pen out. You kind of have to press in from the side here. It clicks open, and then you're going to have to get your fingernail in there from that little side, and then you can get it out. It's pretty snug. They put it as slim as they can get it. So it might be, again, a little difficult for you to get in there and get that S Pen in and out. If you look at it from the side, you can see our volume buttons and our power button. On the back, again, it's got that locking ring. It's also got MagSafe built in. It's got that nylon kind of feel to the back. And we also have a slight raised edge around our camera lenses for protection there. There's really not a lot of extra lip for lens protection. Now, all the cases that Peak Design sells does include their proprietary magnetic locking ring on the back, and that's so you can use some of the mounts that they sell. I've got a universal bar mount here, and you could use this on your bike. You could also use it on a tripod in case you need to record in some unconventional way, or you can even put it on your refrigerator doors in case you need to record something there or watch maybe a recipe while you're cooking. And it works out super well. All you need to do is put the mount near the case, it clips into place, and you do not have to worry about your phone ever coming off that mount unless you want it to. And the way that it comes off is you just simply press in one of the buttons on the side and pull it off your phone. It's that simple. And Peak Design also sells some tripods and other things like that on their website as well. The universal bar mount can easily be attached to round bars such as a tripod, or you can even attach it to your bike bar. The mount also rotates 360 degrees. And like I mentioned before, the case is securely locked onto the bar mount. And you can easily release it with only one hand. And if you need to watch recipes while you cook, you can also attach it to your refrigerator's door handles. Another accessory we have here is their wireless charging stand. Now you don't have to have anything Peak Design specific to use this wireless charging stand. It works with any case or phone that has MagSafe built in. It is made of a very solid piece of aluminum. It definitely has some pretty good weight to it. It's got a nice thick rubber charging pad on the front, so no matter what you put on here is not going to scratch up your device. And it also has quite a bit of adjustment, so if you want to lay it down or if you want to stand it up to maybe use it to watch some YouTube, Netflix, anything like that, you can very easily do that, and it stays in place. It does not flop around. On the bottom, it also has some nice rubber pads to help keep the stand in place on your desktop or nightstand as well. And to go along with the wireless charger, we also have their 20-watt power adapter that uses USB Type-C. And the wireless charging stand also comes with a very, very long USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. So let's plug that in really quick to the power adapter. We'll plug that in, and we'll plug this in to the wireless charging stand. So now that that's all plugged in, now we'll put our phone on the wireless charger, clips into place, and it charges your phone immediately. And you can also put your phone in a landscape orientation as well, and it'll also charge your phone. And as you can see, it is fast charging. So you can stand it up, lay it down. Either way, it works out really well. And the easiest way that I found to take this off the wireless charger with only one hand is to simply lift up from the bottom of your phone and it comes right off the charger. But if you tried to pull it straight off from the middle, you can see that the magnet is super strong and holding the phone on the wireless charger. But again, if I lift up kind of from the bottom up, it comes off very easily. And in case you're wondering, the max output for this wireless charger is 15 watts. Now let me take you into my garage and show you that bike mount. Okay, so let's put the mount on my bike handles here. Peak Design makes it super easy for you. They give you all the tools that you need, and the little screw that is on the mount doesn't just fall out, so you don't have to worry about that happening when you're mounting it on your bike. So I'll go ahead and slide this over the rail or the bar, and we'll tighten it up. Angle it where you want it before you do the final tightening. And then tighten up the mount. And you're all set. So now that the mount is attached to my bike, I can easily connect the everyday case or the rugged case directly to it with one hand because it holds it in place with those magnets and that secure connection. You can also use it in a landscape mode as well. And unlike some of the other mounts, you can easily detach your phone with only one hand. And if you don't want to use the wireless charger, you can always use the power adapter with the other end of the USB Type-C. Just plug that into your phone. The everyday case and the rugged case, along with the out front bike mount, has easily become my go-to for when I'm out biking, because I like to bring my phone out with me for navigation and just in case something happens. I would definitely recommend any of Peak Design's accessories to anybody who are looking for well-built accessories that are built to last. So now that you know what my favorites are, I'd really like to know what accessories that you like. Let me know in the comments below. And again, if you guys want to pick this up along with any of these accessories, I will be putting product links in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.